Ada? Ada? Yes, there. Your phone is ringing there. Oh. Ah, it's my mother. Oh. Mama, good morning. How are you doing? And how is Papa?
Papa, your father is fine. He's here preparing to go to work.
Yes,
Okay, I hope both of you are fine.
Both of us are fine. We're doing good. We're just worried about you. How are you?
Hey, Mama, I'm fine. I'm also getting ready for work.
Oh,
yeah.
Good.
Let me speak to Papa.
Hey, Mama, can you give the phone to Papa?
Okay. Nah, your daughter wants to talk with you.
Very good. Adanyo.
Hey, hello, Papa. Papa, good morning.
Good morning. Anemekwa, how are you?
I'm fine, Papa, and Lagos is fine.
Lagos, Lagos, oh.
How is everything, Papa? Papa, can you give the phone to Mama, please?
Yeah, okay. Take.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ada, ne?
Mama, they will soon pay us salary and I will send some money to you and Papa.
Ezoku. Hey! Ozubo Olugoli. Hi, ne. Thank you so much. That would be so nice.
No problem. No problem, Mama.
Hey, ne. You said that you will give us money as soon as she receives her salary.
Hey, our chi is awake always.
Please, do take care of yourself and Papa too, okay?
It's okay.
Alright, Mama. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mom. God, expecting to hear from you soon.
Yes,
sir.
Look at how happy you are. How are they? They are fine. Yes. Let me get my bag and my shoe so we can go. You're ready to go? Yes, I am.
Bye.
This is so awesome.
So soon.
Yeah? She promised to send us money as soon as she's paid her first salary.
People will definitely be jealous of this kind of daughter for us.
Remember, she said she will always take care of us. That was what she told us when she was going.
Mama, this one you and Papa are very excited this morning. My ears are itching. What's the secret?
We just finished speaking with Ada.
Ada?
Our daughter.
Your friend.
Your friend. Yeah, she called.
Ma, you didn't allow me to speak with her. It's not
fair.
fair.
You were not here, my daughter. You couldn't talk with her because you were not here already. Yeah? But don't worry. I will still call her. Oh?
You couldn't have been here and there at the same time.
Oh.
There'll be other times. You're covered. Don't worry.
You promise?
I promise you.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Take the water inside and...
I want to go and prepare something for you and Papa to eat when you return.
That's my girl. Anyway, thank you for fetching water for us. You know, I am so happy. Then when you finish, you lock my door. Oh?
Okay.
You might buy a DB key. Keep it there.
It's your duty.
Okay, Mama. Bye-bye.
Close the door when you are gone. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Are you going to school?
Sir?
Are you going to school?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, bros, yeah.
Oh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Adam, bros here has been waiting for you. In fact, we came here and met him. He said he wants to see you. I hope all is well, sir.
Yes, all is well. I just came to see you. Can we talk aside?
Good morning, sir.
It's okay.
Pardon my manners.
It's okay. Can we talk aside, please?
Okay, sir, no problem.
See, Everything is all right, okay? So, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Hey, come on. No, sir. Okay? I told you my name is Greg.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, Greg.
Good.
What can I do for you? Is your car faulty again?
No. You did an excellent job the last time. Okay? I'm not here to fix my car. Yes, I'm here to see you. You know, I've been thinking about you.
I hope all is well, sir.
All is well. You know, since I set my eyes on you, I couldn't just sleep. I've not been feeling fine, and I've never felt like this in my whole life. The way I felt the day I met you. You know, I couldn't just sleep. I'm not just thinking straight. So if you don't mind, can we just go to somewhere very conducive and talk about this?
Sir, I really don't understand what you're trying to say. If you're not here to fix your car, I don't know what else you want me to do.
I'm here to see you because I've been thinking about you. I couldn't just take my mind off you.
Sir, aside from fixing your car, any other thing you have in mind, I am not interested. As you can see, I just resumed to work. So please, excuse me, sir.
For real, I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know.
Sorry, sir, please excuse me.
Real. Girl, I want you to know.
Come here. So you meant that thing you said yesterday?
Of course! I keep telling you this. This is not why I came to Lagos. I'm here to hustle. I'm here to make money so I can take care of my family back home. Not this thing, not those ones.
Ada,
please, yes?
From the look of things, this guy is serious about you. This guy even arrived here before you got here. Of course, he came here before us. He was waiting. What more do you need, Ada? What more proof do you need? See, you see this Lagos? It's not easy to see a cute, handsome guy like that will come and stoop solo for a commoner like you.
Eh? Who is a commoner?
I didn't mean it that way. But Ada, please, I need you to loosen up, girl. Girl, go out and have fun. Even if you don't, just have fun with this guy. This guy might be the miracle you're looking for. Loosen up, my girl. Do it for me. Huh? Do it for me. Go and have fun. Alright? Just relax. Just loosen up, girl, and have fun. Alright? Will you do it for me? Sir, sorry about that, okay? She will go with you.
For real?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much for this.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Good. So, shall we?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This way.
No! Oh, Mpa. Hey, now say the mood's all right. Anything for the guests. Now my friend.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
God bless you, sir.
Okay, hold on. Ha, you come. Okay. Go ahead and
Thank you, sir. No.
I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real, baby. Girl, I want you to know that I'm for
Papa, back! Papa!
Ada, my Ada.
Papa!
How are you?
I'm
You
fine,
came
Papa.
around?
Yes, Papa.
Look at how beautiful you're looking.
Thank you, Papa.
Oh, you are.
Papa, yes. Where's Mama?
Mama?
Yes, Mama.
Where's Mama?
Now wake up, oh.
Ada. Hey,
Why are you waking me up?
Can you tell me?
Yeah, I was at planet Earth. Hey, enjoying myself. You know where I was now? Land of everything wonderful happening there. Eh? Look at how beautiful you're looking. Oh, Ada, this your beauty can never be compared with any other.
I am your wife, I'm not Ada. I don't understand what you're saying.
Hey, okay, it's Ada.
I said I am your wife. I don't see Ada. I brought food for you.
Oh, my wife. Welcome. Welcome. Hey! I thank God you came at this time because I was very hungry.
In the land of ABC.
In the land of the living.
Mm. Oh, let me tell you, God saved you that is my daughter's name that you called. Had it been to mention another woman's name, I would have made you continue with this sleep. I come here hand on Chage.
I know woman is like you, so I couldn't have mentioned those names, filthy names. You're welcome.
Yeah, eat your food.
You're welcome, man.
And I also want to collect some money. I need to buy some things more.
Hey. 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 Look at beautiful food you cooked. Adaka na monkey. Ewolike na kwomolomo. Chiema kunisi.
So you mean this is all the money you made in my absence?
Oh yes, this is all the money. There's no all the money.
Hey, that reminds me. I have not seen Ada since this morning. Where is she?
Actually, Ada came to work today.
Okay.
Her menstrual flow started, so she went back to change, ma'am.
Oh, that's fine. I just hope she will return early because some of my customers will be coming today, and I would like her to assist Piro and Shaggy in fixing their cars.
Don't worry, ma. She'll be back very soon, okay?
So you counted the money. How much is it? Oh, you did. How much is there?
30,000.
And you, supervisor, how much is there?
50,000.
Okay. You know what? I have this. This 50,000 naira is for the both of you. No, supervisor, stop. 25,000. Later, I will sort out Piro and Shaggy. And you, this 30,000 naira is for you.
Wow! Madam, too good. We the supervisor.
So let me go plenty. And yes. And I'm about to give you your own money. Stand up. I want to give you your own money. Okay? I saw you. You stole from me. You stole from me. You criminal. You criminal. How dare you steal money from me?
I'm not stealing it. I'm arranging it
For that, this is your own share of the money. Can all of you get out of my office?
Madam, you put me.
Leave. I'm giving your money. Leave.
Oh,
criminal. Idiot. Thief. Now, get out. Get lost. Get lost. What for? Onyoshi criminal, look at her. Let the 500 naira kill you there. Let it strangle you.
Will you make use of it?
Are you enjoying it?
Yes, I am.
I like your hairdo.
Thank you.
Where did you get it from?
My friend Chacha took me to the salon.
Oh, it's nice.
Thank you.
It's really nice. You see, after here, I am going to take you out for shopping. You know, get you some stuffs. You have to make your nails and fix your nails and bend them.
No problem, I will.
You're good, right?
I'm fine.
My mother,
Are you done?
thank you very much for the food.
You're welcome.
The food is sweet. You know what? I had another dream. The same dream. You know, where I saw Ada. Very beautiful. I think I saw a car also, but I'm not quite sure. You know?
No, it's Ozgo. You know? It is just a dream. I know my daughter. I'm a mwa nzo. I know my daughter very well. I know she will succeed in the city. She will make it. I know she will make it and come back with plenty things. Definitely. So it's just a made dream. My daughter is a brave and strong girl.
Yes.
City Amelia.
He said,
yes, City Amelia.
God will be with her.
Yes.
Hi. Dream all the time.
My girl. Havana, I be. I don't say where you doing now. Everywhere it's sorry for you. Everywhere is still anyhow. When you dey come back now, my girl? Better do and come back, because Madam do good asked of you. Thank God say child dey there. She covered up for you sharply. She say, hey, your period stay your body, oh. Now so you take rush, go ask, go change. Yeah. My God, I envy you, sharp. Oh. What is it? Which one is love it? Are they all you? I said love it.
Continue. Just continue. No, continue.
Hey, better carry time, oh. Not a pock notes for people affairs.
You don't dey obvious say you get wetin these girls and carry enter this place. Because I don't understand. I no think say na work then come.
Yeah, I see the service your motor. Change your oil. I see the service your motor.
Oh, look at this. Did you see? I love So this is what you will wear at home and move around. No, but I don't want to see that slippers you brought from the village. Don't wear it here. This is what you wear. What? Take. Have you seen this one? Oh, Chanel. That's so girl good. I think there's someone on top. Who is that? Come in, the door is open.
Hey, babe. I see. I'm sorry. Let me start with I'm sorry first. I went to the workshop and I was told you're home. Please, from the depth of my heart, I apologize for the long silence. I mean, a lot happened in the course of my trip. I swear.
And you couldn't even call at least for me to hear your voice, even if it's just for 1 minute.
I apologize. Oh, believe me, I do.
That's not working.
I'm sorry for everything, okay? I'm sorry from the depth of my heart. Yeah, I'm sorry for the long silence. I'm sorry for not checking up on you. But you know what? I'm gonna make it up to you.
Love you so much. I love you too. Look at you.
It's you.
Same here. How are you?
Great. You're looking good.
Thank you. Ada, this is my boyfriend, Steven. You know, I told you about him, right? And babe, this is my girlfriend, Ada.
Oh!
Nice to meet you, sir.
It's a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you look good. Sit down. You know what, girls?
What?
What? You guys are all gagged up, looking kinky. You know what?
Tell me.
We're gonna boogie. We're gonna flex.
Really?
We're gonna flange you.
Really?
Outing time, baby.
Yes,
I want to spoil you guys. You know what? I want to spoil you in particular. Let's go have fun. Come on.
We're in for it, girl.
Really?
Let's go.
Oh my
God. Let me pack my things.
Look at you. I see the picture of the kind of woman I want. And when
You are welcome to my small palace.
What?
Yeah.
You call this small? This? is not small.
For real?
It's big and beautiful.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Please, have a seat. Make yourself comfortable, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. So, what do I offer you? I have juice, wine, champagne, name it. Depends on what you want.
Anything is fine, sir.
Anything?
Yes, sir.
Wow, anything. So I should get crocodile meat for you. Okay, relax, okay? Relax.
Okay.
Feel free. I'll see you in a jiffy. Okay. Anything, right?
Yes.
You to know that I'm for real.
All I want is a good woman. A woman who will love me, who will believe in me for who I am. Ada, please, don't say no to me. Please come into my life and make my life meaningful.
Are you saying you don't have any woman in your life now?
I really don't want to talk about this, but I still have to explain to you, you know. My ex, all she does is to collect from me and gives to her secret lover. So we've broken up. Yeah. Ada, I want to love you and cherish you till the end. Please, be my woman, please. And make me a happy man. I'd rather the happiest man on earth.
You don't have to always beg me, okay? Okay, fine. I have accepted to be your woman.
Are you serious?
Oh. When I look at you, I see the picture of the kind of woman I want. And when I think of you, it feels so good.
Thank you, my dear, thank you.
Heaven on earth. I'm looking for someone to be my queen. Oh baby, give me the chance to prove to you how much I love you. I'm for real.
Come here. Come here, come here. Oh my God.
For someone to be my queen. Oh baby, give me the...
Come on, look at what they got. Like seriously, man. Come on, you girls look good. You girls look good. You girls look what the fuck? Come on. If you girls don't mind, I would like to have some more. What do you think?
See what you want carry.
Now money for hand, back for ground. I hope you're equal to the task.
Turn around, let me see.
You see him, you see
Turn
what
around,
you want carry.
Come on, do something for yourself, brother. Alright, you see something? No worries, okay? Once my car is being fixed, okay, we'll go to my hotel room and chill. What do you girls think about that?
We'll go first see money.
Come on, I said money is not a problem. Come on, why are you talking about money? Nigga, what's up, guys? What's up, you dude? What's up, dude?
What's up, sir?
What's up, dude? Come on.
We'll go clean this your car.
Fixed,
no,
man.
go clean him. We'll go clean him.
Get it fixed.
Senior man, I say make I tell you on how we still follow now. Day by damper. By one corner they take one ball. You don't go bad though.
Can do all that for you before I leave, man. I just want the two guy clean your. Hey, nigga, come on!
Only man if I'm losing.
Chacha, this is your friend. Get the kind joy we she can't get this period. She just dey happy, they laugh like person when they shoot count for yash. What's in the salt now?
What is wrong about being happy?
You know, you self knows I no be enemy of progress. But you know me now, they observe everything when they happen for this shop.
I beg, take jaw, take.
Let me go and meet her.
Do come back, we'll make we finish this job. Before Madam Do Good go come back. I know if you reach there, I may go they laugh with
I don't hear.
And if una get updates, make una share. I don't understand where this one, she just they laugh. We two won't join to the laugh. Just a laugh like person when they shook am for nyash. Ha! All these girls, eh?
But you know I love you too. I can't do it without you. Okay, fine. I'll get back to you later, please. Oh my God.
Was that Greg you were talking to?
Of course, he is the one.
Somebody's in love.
You can say that again.
Oh. You see how excited you are. I told you to give him a chance. You see now you're so excited.
Of course.
Imagine if you didn't give this guy a chance.
You were right on your judgment. He is such a nice man. He has given me a reason to love again.
Oh, have you been in love before?
Never mind.
Okay, now tell me. I want to hear everything. Just tell me, what are you two up to?
A lot. But he has not mentioned anyone yet. He just said he has a lot for me. No one yet, but I'm sure very soon he will.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you, sweetheart. Look at you. Hey. I'm happy for you, darling.
Who is calling?
Mama. Ada. Hey, Ada is calling. Pick it before it ends. Pick it, Mama.
Hello, Ada.
Hey, how are you?
Hello? I'm fine, Amara. How are you doing?
I'm fine, no. I'm actually at your parents' house doing some house chores.
Oh, I hope they're fine.
Yes, so Mama is here. Even Papa.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, let me talk to my father. Give him the phone.
Mama, she wants to speak with you.
Hey. Oh, yeah. Ada became Omalichangwan came.
Mama, good afternoon. How are you, Mama?
Mwanje Jemba. How are you, my daughter? Don't mind your mother. Do you know how long I have been desiring to hear your voice? Huh? Yes, actually she did. She's here. Always here doing one house chores to the other. Such a nice girl.
Mama, give the phone to Papa. I want to talk to Papa.
No. You're not talking to him. Have you finished speaking with me? Because I can balance you off, ma. Talk to your mother. How are you? How is Lagos? How is your work? How are you generally? Talk to me.
Mama, city is fine. Lagos is fine. And everything is getting better.
Thank God. When you sound like this, it makes me happy and gives me hope. So, Adria, let me now give your father phone. Oh? No. Ada wants to talk to you.
Give me the phone.
Oh.
Ada wants to talk to me. You snatch the phone. She wants to talk to Amara. You take away the phone. Are you a phone collector?
No phone, she's still online.
I know she's still online.
They don't want to talk.
Ada, how are you?
Papa, you have started again, no, Papa.
Don't mind me. Is your mother always wanting to dominate in talk? Dominating. How is the work? Ada, see, when you make it in the city, you will buy me a jeep.
Amen.
No, you will buy your father a jeep. And I've been praying for you to make it, and you will make it.
Amen, Papa. Amen to that.
And eventually, you're going to get a son that is handsome, that resembles your father. So that means I must get a handsome son-in-law. Yes.
Papa, no problem, I've heard you.
No, I'm praying for you. You'll get all that. Thank you. Keep on doing well. Thank you very much. Keep on doing well.
So between me and you,
okay.
Who would the grandchild look like?
Okay.
Resemble?
The grandchild must look like
me.
Me.
It's
me.
Let me go back to work. Please take care of Mama. Take care of her, please. I'll talk to you guys later.
Okay, thank you, Ada. Bye-bye. Bye.
Have you finished?
You
Jeep
want me
and
to
son-in-law.
stay there forever like you? I don't do that.
No. Omalicham, don't mind your father. Just wait. At God's own time, He will bring the right man into your life, whether handsome or ugly, whichever one. As long as his heart is beautiful and he loves you, I will take. You know, go on, and I'll charge you.
I love you.
You didn't say it when you have the phone. Keep the phone, Ken, I love.
Okay.
And then we love you, Onny. Take care of yourself.
Remember love anytime.
Love.
If it comes anytime,
But you started talking about Jeep before love.
Yes, sir.
You didn't talk about love before Jeep.
Ada, who are you loving over the phone? Who are you telling you love him?
No, it's my father.
Will you shut up? And what is actually going on between you and that young man called Greg?
Nothing, ma.
Are you sure?
Nothing, ma. Nothing.
You know I'm very smart. And I'm smarter than you. How am I sure he's not the one you're telling you love?
No, ma.
Will you shut up? Instead of you to get busy and work. Look at that gearbox. Are you not supposed to bring it down? And you're here telling a man you love him. Listen, let me tell you something. We don't love here. We make money here. We're in this city to make money. You don't allow one stupid guy to deceive you. All they want is to collect that thing in between your legs and they will throw you away. So concentrate on their pocket. Get the money and walk away. You don't come here and start loving one stupid customer. You're telling somebody you love. Come on, will you get out? I'm talking and you're still standing. Mama, come on, get out. Get my father. Father kill you there. Look at her. Idiot. Animal. Nonsense.
When I look at you, I see the picture of the kind of woman I want. And when I think of you, it feels so good.
What are you doing in my house? Huh? Haven't I warned you never to step your feet into my house again? What's wrong with you?
I'm here to see my man. I've missed him.
Honey? Honey, please. Who is this?
Who? So, this is the whore you've been cheating on me with. This is the reason you've been acting up. This whore.
I do not know who you are. And guess what? I don't care to know. But I will not have you call me names in my man's house. No, I won't. I won't.
Did you just say your man? Sister girl, in case you don't know, Greg here has been my boyfriend. And we've been long enough before you even knew him, before you even crossed his path. So get out of this house this minute.
No. You should be the one to leave this house.
Are you asking me out of your house because of this lunatic, this smelling gold digger?
Honey, are you going to sit down there and watch her call me names?
Look at her.
Ada? Ada?
Smelling pig.
Ada?
Look at her.
That lady you just insulted is 10 times better than you in everything. If I should lose her, I am going to bury you alive. Me Ginando. What I say? Ada!
Greg! Where are you? Greg! Greg!
Ada! Ada! Aban! Aban!
Oga, don't call me.
Why did you allow her into this compound?
No, Oga, I know how. I just go open door. By the time you know it, before I could shout them, Jack Robinson, she put me enter inside.
Let the innocent gateman be and face the fact, Greg. You are mine, and no woman will take you away from me.
Now listen. This relationship is over. Whatever that is between us is ended. I do not want to see you step your feet inside this compound again. Listen. Never again.
Listen.
I do not. Hey. If I ever see you here again, you'll regret my actions. Do you understand? Now get out.
Listen, Greg, I know I cheated, but baby, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm ready to do anything you want just for us to go back to the way we used to be.
Aban, go in there and bring your purse.
No. You can't ask me to leave your house because of that thing. I won't leave your house. This is my house.
Hey, come on.
Oh, you're gonna hurt me. My bag. No, you can't send me away. No. No. Don't you dare. Don't you dare touch me.
Pusha, out! Hey, come here.
Consider it done, sir.
You see that lady?
Yes, sir.
The next time you open gate for her again, I'm going to kill you.
The next time.
This is why I hate men. I never wanted to do this. No, because I know how it usually ends. I know. Look at what they have done to me. Look.
Honestly, I can't believe that Greg will have another woman and he won't tell you.
You need to see the way she was insulting me. You need to see the way she was... Greg.
Ada, please forgive me. I am so sorry for everything. Please, I know I've wronged you. Please forgive me. She's no longer my woman. We've ended whatever we had. I told you.
Greg, I don't care if she's still your woman or not. But please just let me be. I don't want to talk to
My love, please, just hear me out, okay?
Let me! I don't want to talk to you! Let me!
Ada?
Let me go!
You have to go now, okay? So that she can calm down.
Please talk to Ada for me. I love her so much. I want her to come back to me.
I
okay?
know.
I love her with all my heart. I'm sorry for everything.
I know that. I will talk to her, but please, you have to leave now, okay? Alright.
Ada?
Hi, Ada.
You see, Craig, you need to pull yourself together. Very, very important.
Steve-O, you don't understand. Steve-O, help me. Help me talk to this girl. Help me bring this girl back to me. And I really appreciate. This girl is a typical example of a good woman with a good upbringing. Please help me.
And who's this girl you're talking about?
Her name is Ada, and she's a mechanic.
A mechanic girl?
Yes. My guy, see, I would really appreciate if you can help me get this girl back to me. I would really appreciate. Okay? Please.
Can I see the picture of this girl?
Yeah, of course, sure. That's her picture. Huh? Do you know her?
Ada? Ada is a friend to my girlfriend. As a matter of fact, they stay together in the same house and work in the same mechanic village.
Are you kidding me?
For real? No, it's a done deal, man.
Wow.
Come on, forget about.
Man, if you help me do this,
yeah,
I'm going to do anything for you. Please. I really appreciate it. Just make me a happy man.
Great.
Okay. Great. Whatever it takes to bring this girl back to me, tell me I'm gonna do it.
Just begin to celebrate.
Wow.
It's a done
Thanks,
deal.
man.
Thanks,
Thanks,
man.
man. Wow. So you know Ada?
Ada is my girlfriend's friend. So close, 5 and 6.
Oh my
Stay
God.
in the same house, work in the same mechanic village.
Are you kidding
For a
me?
mechanic shop, I'm telling you.
I'm so happy now.
No, just forget it.
Okay.
If there is anywhere to pop champagne,
Okay, man.
It's a done deal one day.
Let's go.
No, it's not a big deal.
Babe, you should have at least respected his opinion. And let them be.
Bella, are you the one saying this?
Yes, of course. Okay, tell me, when you were busy flocking around with Stanley, it didn't occur to you. You didn't think that one day Greg is gonna find out.
Stanley is my biggest regret. I messed up big time.
You really did. You messed up, babe. Big time. And then even the so-called fool you sacrificed everything for. Tell me, where is he? He is busy enjoying himself in the arms of another woman. All in the name of love. Lazy.
Stanley is my biggest regret. Hi.
Well, you don't have to blame yourself so much, okay? Life happens.
But Bella, what do you advise I do now?
Advice you do? Just let them be.
What?
Move on. That's all you do.
What? What are you saying?
Of course now, Lizzie. Isn't it obvious that Greg has found happiness with that woman? And you know, men these days, what they are looking for is trust. Give them any slightest reason, opportunity to doubt your love for them. That will be the end. You know? So I will advise you, baby girl, not to fight this. Do not fight this and move on with your life. And then believe yourself that one day, a man who will truly love you for who you are will come your way. You know? Please promise me you're not going to fight this, because when you do, you will be the biggest loser at the end. And you know that. Greg is not ready to trade that girl for anything. Okay? I've said my own. It is not left for you.
Bella, I think you're right.
I'm always.
I think I'll just let them be.
Just let them be, okay? You'll be all right. You'll be fine.
So, young man, you're welcome to my workshop.
Thank you.
So, what do you want us to do for you?
Actually, I want my car to be fixed. And I want to change the oil as well.
That's fine. Shaggy! Shaggy! I'm calling you. Have these car keys. You need to change the oil in his car, both the oil filter. Okay, you know what to do. Service the car. Have the. Every time, are you deaf? Can you have the car keys?
Madam, please. I think I would prefer that girl mechanic over there to fix my car for me.
Are you stupid? Is he talking to you? Oh, you mean Ada? That's fine. Yeah, that's her name. So let me have the car keys. Shaggy, let me have the car keys. Are you all right? Sorry. Are you stupid? I think I need to take you to Suleiman. They need to do you deliverance there.
Ma, just love I would not like it, ma.
Will you get out? He said thank you. Go on, I keep moving.
Sorry, ma.
Call Ada. Oh my goodness. Get out. And I don't do now. You don't do. You know, since when we stand there where you be like this, you know, do alright. See, make I tell you, my girl. You see, breakfast, trust me, you go reach everybody. Even that your guy. First you go serve on your own, eh? Maybe not somebody like me, sir. I go serve him. Yeah.
Ada, call Ada for me. Call Ada.
Ada, Shaggy dey call. Wetin happen? Why you dey call her? Boss, call Ada for me. I dey fear you.
Wait, na me dey follow play this kind of nonsense play.
Baba Fadia.
I no wan reason your matter. Ada, okay, na me dey call you, eh? You face the other side. Bye, Awana, no wahala. Madam say make I call you. So go answer your call. And last, I know say nothing they think be and I will not be man. But no worry. One day, man got mama ganya here. You see her?
Wicked boy.
I don't tell him.
You know this guy can be very naughty sometimes. Eh? I say believe me, my girl. Now we did this town before you come. Now we they tell you say breakfast go reach everybody. Trust me.
No problem.
They go serve him in own very soon.
Let me go and see madam.
Just
back.
Okay. No, they cry. Madam go see. She go ask you what they do you now. They cry. See you. Come here, come the booth. Breakfast, you don't reach you. We were there here since you don't reach us.
I'm so sorry about that. This my boy, I think he's having some mental issue. I've been trying my possible best to bring him up. Boy, he keep coming down, you know. It's not easy, but oh, here she come. Ada, be fast now. I'm calling you and you're walking like this.
I'm here, Mom.
Have this car case, please. Look at the car over there. I need you to change the oil filter. Just service the car for him. He said he wants you to fix his car. So have the car case.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Madam, please. I'm not feeling fine. Can you have Piro or Shaggy fix the car, please?
Are you stupid? Who are you to tell me what to do? Who are you to dictate for me how to run my workshop? I'm telling you to go and fix a car and you're calling Piro. Does Piro look like your houseboy? When will you learn to start respecting your elders in this workshop? Idiot! Come on, go and fix that car before you lose your job. Have it!
Madam, please. Please, my health is more important, ma, please.
Oh, your health is more important. In that case, you are fired. Get out!
Madam, please. It hasn't gotten to that yet, okay? Since she said she's not feeling fine, maybe she needs some rest, okay? Allow her to take that time. Okay, maybe another person can still fix my car for me.
Will you be okay with that?
I'm very perfect.
Thank your star that he's changed his mind. If not, I would have fired your ass. Look at her. Idiot. You're calling Piro. Do you have a young guy like Piro in your village? Come on, get out of my sight. Get lost. Out! Piro! Piro!
Something they worry you for your head? Eh? How could you talk back to Madam Dogood like that? What if she had sacked you? What would you have done?
God would have given me another job. She doesn't care about my health. All she cares about is work and money and nothing else. And I cannot compromise my health for anything. No, I can't.
You know that you are not sick. You don't just want to work because of what Greg did to you. Not be me going to tell that story, oh.
See, let's forget about this Greg for now. Okay? Let's just forget about him. I've been meaning to ask you. How come Madam Dogood is the owner of this place? How come she's the one in charge of this place? Because mechanic workshops are usually owned by men. But she's a woman. How?
See, Ada, what she told us is this. When her husband died, she hustled so hard to buy this place. She actually bought this place. So she had to employ us to attract customers for her. That's all I know. Don't ask me any other thing.
I'm for real. I'm for real. Girl, I want you to.
Hi, baby.
You know him?
Yeah, this is Craig, my friend. Sorry I've not introduced him to you.
Well, I'm surprised. Welcome, Craig.
Thank you, Chacha. Ada, how are you?
You see, Ada, my friend here has told me a lot about you. I mean, so many good things about you. How he wants you both to walk down the aisle as husband and wife. Yeah. He once had something to do with that girl you saw, no doubt. But in the long run, he discovered she was an impostor. I mean, sure, she was. She gets money from him and gives to other guys. Who would stand that? You see, I'm not holding brave for my friend. No, I'm not. But he's a very, very nice guy. Very nice guy. So please, I crave your indulgence to forgive him and have him back again. Please.
Ada, please.
No, please. You don't have to kneel down. You don't have to kneel down. Okay, fine.
It feels so good, feels like heaven on earth. Oh, like a king.
I'm forgiving you.
That's it.
Oh, baby, give me the chance to prove to you how much I love you. I'm for real. Oh, like a king. I'm looking for someone to be my queen. Oh, baby, give me the chance to prove to you how much I love you. I love you plenty.
Baby, you scared me.
I know, I'm sorry about that, okay? It's like you're about to cook something.
Yes, I'm preparing to make your favorite meal.
Wow, I can't wait.
You're welcome. So see what will happen. Go to the sitting room, relax, watch TV while I finish up, and then I'll come and call you.
I'll do that then.
Okay, baby.
I'll see you, eh?
All right.
Oh, that reminds me. You said something about your birthday.
Yes.
What date?
It's on the 16th of this month.
Okay.
But I'm not going to celebrate it.
Why?
Because I don't have money to.
Hey, come on, you don't have to say that, okay? Don't worry, till then. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Yes? I'll be there waiting.
Okay, baby.
For that.
Of course. All right, dear.
How much I love you. I'm for real. Oh, like a king. I'm looking for someone to be my queen.
He asked about my birthday, and I told him I wasn't ready to celebrate it.
What do I want to do with this girl? Eh? What I want to do with you? Why will you tell him that?
Because there is no money. I don't have money to do that.
Why didn't you tell him to celebrate it for you since you don't have money?
You know, I will not allow any man to do that for me. It's not my thing. Besides, it's not been long we met for me to make such requests from him.
This girl JJ too much, oh. Omo, na city you dey don't come up from village. See any opportunity where you see for here, grab them. One hand. What they make grandma now? Sure.
Shanti, that is why we are different.
I pass you.
Listen, if I'm not able to do this year, I will definitely celebrate next year. That's just me for you guys.
Nah, Queen. Problem with this girl. When I see my problem with this girl, not only English is all the money you not get, but you dey move. The rub shoulder with who? Person wants to celebrate birthday for you. You dey show yourself.
Madame, they come. See, madame.
What is wrong with you now?
You know waiting.
Don't mind him.
But don't you talk about this birthday thing now. Make una dey focused too.
I know say madam no dey come.
Find something doing.
You continue with what you're
See
doing.
ahead.
Don't mind him.
So, babe, where are you taking me to this weekend?
When in weekend?
Cheers.
To us. I was thinking of taking you to an exclusive and cozy place where we can be together.
Where exactly?
Surprise, surprise.
Anyways, that would be lovely. Of course, I trust what you can do, but it's Ada's birthday, and I wanted to take her out. You know, it's her special day.
Ada's birthday? It's okay.
But you can come with us if you want to. I mean,
No. Let me allow you guys have fun. I'm not complaining. Just be together and be happy.
You are a darling. Come here.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. You're welcome with that.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt your moment.
Did she interrupt anything?
No.
Don't worry, I'll just be there.
We're not driving you.
Ada, we should continue, please.
Ada, you're making me shine. Imagine.
She said continue, please.
Continue. I
Oh,
love you.
sweetheart, I love you too.
I love you so much.
I love you more.
Sure.
Ada. Ada AD. Where is this thing? Yes, there. Birthday girl. Birthday girl. All right there. I got this for you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dad.
Oh my God, you did?
I did.
Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
And the swan.
All this for me?
Oh, that's for you.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
You're a darling. Thank you. Wow. I love this one. I love this color.
Your favorite color.
You know that?
I know, right?
Oh my God. Thank you. May God bless you for me. Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Okay, so right now, the second one is this. You go in there, dress up, look so sexy and beautiful. I'm taking you out tonight. Yeah, let me spoil you a little.
Does that not include spending of money?
Oh, that doesn't matter. Just go dress up, let's go. Come on. Yes, I'm sure.
You got that.
Go dress up, let's go.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I'm coming.
Oh, Anda, you won't change. Happy birthday, my friend, my friend.
Sinabra. Gentleman.
Fine, Baba.
Hey. How are you?
I'm good.
Aww.
We go love her. See now.
Actually, there's no better time to do this than now. Yes. And it was all orchestrated not just by me, but with my friend here. Okay? I just want everybody here to see and know how much I love you.
Oh,
yes. I want you to give me that opportunity to love you and cherish you. I want you to be the mother of my children.
Oh.
Yeah. So, I've come to ask you for a great favor.
Say yes now, made them open another mechanical shop.
Say yes now.
Mechanic girl, say yes.
And what are you waiting for? Say yes. I'm here. Say yes.
Mechanic daughter. Mechanic daughter.
Oh my
You see, I will not be left out in this consummation of love.
Also, no.
Sir? Craig, this was our brainchild.
You're there.
And to my quintessential beauty. Charity, you say, you're every man's dream. You know why? Because you're an embodiment of brain, beauty, tenacity, panache. I can go on and on and on. But at this juncture, I want to ask you one very salient question. And I pray you oblige me. Will you walk down the aisle with me?
Yes.
Small madam, say yes. Wanna leave her, she go say yes, she no get choice, Say yes, so they'll collect her from you.
Say no.
She go say yes,
I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real.
Shaggy, can you see that?
Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real, baby. Girl, I want you to know that I'm for real. Girl, I want you to know that. Cause when I look at you, I see the picture of the kind of woman I want. And when I think of you, it feels so good, feels like heaven on earth. Oh, like a king. I'm looking for someone to be my queen. Oh, baby, give me the chance to prove to you how much I love you. I'm for real. Oh, like a king. I'm looking for someone to be my queen. Oh, baby, give me the chance to prove to you how much I love you. I love you plenty.